Okay guys, so time to unbox together this LED lamp with touch control. And the cool thing about this lamp is that it's not only a lamp, but it also has an alarm clock, a clock. It is foldable, so this is something that you can definitely use not only on your desk, but you can also use it in your nightstand, for example, if you want. So let's open it together. Let's take a look at the box first. LED touch control. Let me see what it says here. One more light I think we need here. Okay, so we have wireless charging. Wow, wireless charging, USB charger, adapter, color fixing, 3 different lightings for you to adjust and dim it. Wow, this looks really, really good, guys. Let's open it together. Low power LED desk lamp. So here we have the instructions. This is really cool that has the wireless charging. I really like that. So let me take it out. So removing the box, and we have something else here in the box. So let's remove the plastic, my good friends. It's well protected. We can tell. Oh, this is nice. It's like the texture is like a leather texture. This is interesting. It's like a plastic leather texture. Can you see this on camera? See, it's like a belt, you know, like belts, like nice belts. Look at that. Now, here we have the adapter as well. So this goes plugged into the electricity. Let's plug it and see what happens. This is unboxing and first impressions for this LED desk lamp with alarm, with clock. Let me plug it. Ooh, look at this, guys. Oh, it has a little song to it. Okay, let's switch here so that we can see it in the full camera. Okay, check it out, guys. How cool is this? Look at, wow, I really like this. So here, let me turn it off so that you guys can see the clock. So here it has a clock. So it has a clock, it has the date, and even the temperature. This is in Celsius, but let's see if we can move it. So here in the back, we can remove this. This is probably a backup for the clock. Here in the front, we have turning on and off. It's touch control. Then this is how we're gonna dim it, up and down. And with this other button, here, we're gonna select what is going to be the color, more of a bluish color more of a warm color. And you can also adjust it like this. Check it out. It's like you can see like small dots here. So you can put it completely straight. You can adjust the angle. Look at how many options. My phone doesn't, that's why, because my phone doesn't have wireless charging. I think you need to have a phone that is going to be like 12 or 13 in order to do that. Or you can use here in the back, it has a USB outlet. So you can charge any phone with that outlet. So that's a good thing about it. If you have an iPhone 12, 13, 14, then you can use this charging station for sure. I think it's because my phone doesn't have that technology yet. So guys, super cool. It has a texture as if it was like a leathery texture. And as I said, we also have here in the back, we have the USB. We can change the intensity, turn it on and off. Change manually the colors. Date, day, temperature. I turn on the light. You can turn it on and off to see the time as well. So guys, this is a desk lamp by Laopao.